important update for everybody. We've sold 2 vans. 2 vans have gone. One you guys wouldn't have even knew about, but one you did know about. So, you know, it's quite a sad time. You know what I mean, you know what it's like when you sell a vehicle. Yes, it was my Ford Transit Sport. Don't be silly, it's right here. Along with CosWeCan's camper conversion. Yes, I am sitting on the floor. Whew, panic over. I know. I shouldn't have joked about that, should I? You'll be thinking, so what van have you sold then? Well, it was probably the best van. It was none other than the fishing van. If you don't know what the fishing van was, I don't know where you've been, but you've been missing out. So let's all just take a little moment to, you know, appreciate and say thank you to the fishing van. It served its purpose, it done its job, and it was good at it. And we turned, or I'm saying we, I did nothing, because we turned that into something special. Do you know what I mean? It was special, there was no other van like it. But what you really want to see is what we've replaced it with. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. So here it is, the 2004 TDDI, so the direct injection Transit Connect, 75 horsepower. It would blow your socks off, this thing. If you thought it was going to be anything other than a Ford, you don't really know us, do you, very well. We've got a cool little sun strip on here. You know what, I always wanted to put one of these on a van and I could never do it. So I'm glad it's got one on. Right, what we're saying about these wheels, I'm liking them, the 17s, and they've got some chunky tyres on them, so it sits real nice. We've got the red brake calipers in there. The sills are pretty good, it's had some work on the sills. Drum brakes have been painted at the back. It's got brand new wheel nuts in it and centre caps. It's just, oh yeah, it's just an L model. So it's not an LX, it hasn't got electric windows and all those snazzy things. It's like the peasant spec, which is fine by me. I love the peasant spec. It's had a new exhaust on there, by the looks of it. It hasn't got the fancy lights in the back, just the standard ones. You know, there's no dents or anything in any of the bumpers or any of the bodywork. It's all sweet as a nut. All the arches are looking good. They're a little bit faded, as they all are on these vans. There's a tiny little hole here on the grille. The engine, under the bonnet, I mean, you've seen the video, it's pretty immaculate, to be honest. It's pretty clean. And let's just take you inside. It's been well and truly cleaned. It's immaculate, pretty much in here. There's no holes in the floors, you know, in these mats, because these are like rubber floors. Normally you get holes in them all the time, especially on the driver's side off work boots and things like that. There's no holes. Standard head unit. I mean, I love these, so cool. And we've even got this like which I showed you in the B-roll footage, a cassette adapter, so you can plug that in there and then plug your phone in and whatnot. Pretty cool. Now it's got 100. Where is it? Can you see that over there somewhere? No, but it's got 100k on it. 100,000 miles on these kind of vans. It's absolutely nothing, in my opinion. This best. Oh, I just dropped my phone down there. This is the best part of the van. And do you know what else I like about these vans, right? This is why I like these vans. Let us just show you this. Right, every single connect that I've had starts up as easy as this. Alright. Oh, I don't want to get copyrighted. Like, it's instant. Did you hear that? It's just instant. The first turn of the key. Let us know in the comments what you think of the van. It was, I'll let you know a secret. It was absolutely peanuts. Shh. And it's so tidy. Don't tell anyone, because everybody will want it. Do you know what I mean? If you've seen one of these before, right, one of these adapter things for cassette players, let us know, because I've never seen one in my life. This has amazed us. I didn't know you could do this. And it saves having to get new head units and stuff. Anyways, this was just a short and sweet video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. There's going to be more coming soon. Stay tuned. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Right then. Keep fit windows. Keep fit windows. Great. Let's go. Safety first.